Season's greetings, Aquaba. Welcome to Diana's channel. I got it, the driver's license, finally. Okay, let me give you a couple updates that's very important. First of all, the fee as of to date is 675 Ghana CDs for foreign license conversion. Okay, so all the documents that I presented were received, and the process, again, it's not very arduous once you have everything that is required, right? So then remember, the stickler is, if you're coming in, please obtain an international driver's license and just travel with your driving records. Now, the Ghana driver's license is valid for 6 years. However, every 2 years you need to renew what they call the sticker, and it's actually at the back of your driver's license that will tell you when to come. And the purpose of renewing every 2 years is basically doing eye test, obviously part of the biometrics. So that is done every 2 years. We are looking at a cost of between 30 to maximum 100 Ghana CDs, depending on which DVLA branch that you go in the particular region, say, that you live. So guys, I think it was worth it. What I had to go through, again, cost associated with it. But as I said, for those persons coming in, you will not have to go through what Diana went through if you come in with your international driver's license plus a driving record to make your decision if you're intending to make Ghana your home permanently. So I've given you those options, and I think, a 6-year driver's license being valid is in order. What is not new or familiar to me is actually renewing prior to the expiration date on your driver's license. But be that as it may, anything can happen, so that makes sense. So every 2 years, again, you will need to renew the driver's license, and that is a small fee at this time. I will say the staff, they were polite and professional. So that's a wrap on Diane S. obtaining her Ghana driver's license, and the term is called a foreign conversion. Please do have an awesome weekend. Enjoy. I wish you all well. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Medasi, God bless.